Hey, I'm Ryan with Ridge and River. I'm their kite team rider and wing instructor. Today we're going to go over the Sling Wing V4 and what we like about it and what we don't. Move my beer. I'd have to lose the table. The table's going. Now I'll do a pump. Oops, get out. I guess I don't have to worry about it blowing away.
You can move the couch.
Yeah. Now that we have it inflated, you can see it's a more compact design. Slingshot used a high pressure canopy, gives you a little more low end and better high end versus last year. The boom grips are really nice, removable, easy pack away, love it. Pistol grip, flag it out, nice vinyl windows. The Sling Wing V4 is for pretty much anybody from beginner to advanced. Nice handles, removable. Let's see if I can spin this. Short wingtips, you're not dragging in the water. Windsurf technology, trailing edge with nice high pressure canopy, 4-way ripstop, as all the Sling Wings have. Pistol grip, flag out handle, battens in the back. They lost the leading edge batten, which I like. Gives you a little better high end. Doesn't quite rip out of your hands.
So what would you, as a beginning winger, what would I use this for? Would these be a benefit to me, or the old soft handles would be more beneficial? Where would I go if I'm just checking this out, getting into it for the first time?
For a beginner, it's not gonna matter much between a soft handle and this. This is gonna give you a more direct feel, a little better balance. You can also put your harness on here.
So if I get better, this is gonna have a little more upper end. I won't outgrow it as much. I'll have a little
Definitely
more.
won't outgrow it.
Okay.
It's gonna be a more direct feel, jump better, just all around more solid.
And would I be detrimental for me as a beginner having a tighter canopy? No. That would be something that I wouldn't notice till I got better. It'd be
You wouldn't.
an attribute that as I progressed, it would go with me.
Yeah, you wouldn't notice. You'll notice more the lack of the batten up there. That used to really overpower you. Now that's nice. It'll just ride smooth, not yank out of your hands.
So as more the novice and you more the expert, windows, any benefit to those other than just a convenience? Obviously it's not gonna be a trade-off of tech.
They're nice. Some people don't like them, but you can just lift the wing over your head, kind of peek where you're going, set it back down. These are nice because you don't have to do that. You just keep riding.
Would this be a more durable wing than my older wings I'm using? Just with is it more of a density canopy a benefit to that, or?
Slingshot always builds bomb-proof stuff. This is 4-way ripstop. I've gone over the handlebars and landed on mine 100 times. I haven't gone through it. Not gonna be any more durable than your last Sling Wing, just because they're bomb-proof.
And we tortured those ones too.
Yeah.
Would the sling grip clicks be beneficial for packing if I'm traveling? Can I get it packed smaller?
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's gonna pack down the same as your cloth handled ones. Just you gotta take them out and store them. Pump it up to 8 PSI. That's the same as always.
Do you always recommend closing your clip for your strut or no?
Yeah, you should.
I've read both ways, like it's a safety feature, you know, but.
Nice thing about winging is usually you have enough float on the board to paddle it in. Something were to get a hold
So
of.
if I'm doing this and I'm paddling in, is this gonna be easy as the old ones that I paddled in?
Same old, same.
Thank God.
Leash attachment point, same as always. Lark's head, pop it on there.
Leash is definitely a must for sure.
Same slingshot leash, wraps around your wrist. That way, lose the kite, wing, whatever, it's still attached. What else is new?
I do have a question. So this is kind of, I'm a beginner, I'm maybe getting to my foil. I have a catastrophe where I pop my bladder. Are these bladders replaceable?
They are replaceable through Ridge and River. They can order you one. There's 2 different bladders in this. One for this, one for the whole leading edge. They've got zipper pockets to replace them.
So what I got from listening to you, I can take this from my learning stages of winging, progress all the way through to a pretty competent wing foiler.
Absolutely.
So the good thing is it's priced right. It's a pretty good value.
They're closeout, $9.99.
Pretty good price, and you can't beat it. So all I need to do is kind of learn to figure this stuff out and get in the water is what you're saying.
You're gonna need a board.
Well, might be able to help you there. We done?
That wasn't really a closeout.
Oh, come on, so we done. So, we got these in stock here at Ridge and River. You can check our website out, www.ridgeandriver.com. We'll have a little promo code somewhere here that if you get it, you might get a super special. Check us out. Get them while they last. They're going to be going quick. Thanks. Bye.
Out.